guys, I'm Sucraft, and today in this video I wanna show you this amazing wild road close to my home, and now we can go. This is amazing. Yeah, you will hear some scratches. This will be this is gonna be bouncy, kind of. I'm trying to hold my device as I can to not let it fall. And this is only the beginning. I guarantee this will be the coolest road trip you ever witness. We're literally going sideways right now, almost. You hear my voice like this because I'm holding the tablet, not to let it fall. And I'm holding myself as well. So this is cool. Yeah, a lot of scratches. You got scared, huh? We are close to the end. And there we go. Nice. Oof. So yeah, kind of that's it. But I will clip some other nice views. So see you guys later. And this is the sound of the wild. And the sound of the road. This is cool, right? Oof. The road is bouncy because we are out in the wild. This is just amazing.
Did you see that cat?
No. Was there a cat?
Yes.
Oh. Never mind. In these areas we used to see bunnies, but if they are here, I think we will not see them because the wheat is huge all around us. There are some sunflowers. They are just looking at us like, what's wrong with you guys in the middle of the night? This is amazing. The weather is a little bit cold.
Did you see that rabbit?
Rabbit? Where?
Jumped in.
Oh really? Oh, I'm blind, sorry.
Because you are watching the screen.
Yeah, kind of. But I could see the rabbit on the screen, but okay, never mind. Let's give it some speed. I like this. This is so cool, guys. Oh my goodness, the road is so bouncy. Okay, now we can slow down, I guess. So yeah, I think that's it for today. And if you want to see similar stuff on my channel like this, then don't forget to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye.